labaatanaad uma baahnid inaad jaamacad ka baxdid.
College and university today is the biggest scam and waste of time ever.
So I think in the school system, they don't want us to learn about money because they just want to pump out good employees that do what they're told.
Education maanta jiro oo formal education hadaad fiiriso somehow wuxuu ku diyaarinayaa sidii ashaq ku raadin lahayd. The mindset behind that waxa weeye sida aan 9 to 5 shaqaad ku raadin lahayd. Ma ku baraya qaabkii aad adigu xirfad ku abuur lahayd skill.
But there's a bigger message in all this is that I think people are learning that going to school is a waste of time.
waxaa la isku raacsan yahay maalmahan dambe oo intaas oo shirkado iyo madax waaweyn oo adduunyada ay isla garteen in shahaado jaamacadeed aan loo baahnayn oo qaarkood ay ku tilmaameen weli inay tahay waqti lumis. waxaa laga yaabaa marka guddoomiye ku-xigeen jaamacad anigoo ah in kelimadaas afkayga ka soo baxdo dembi degdeg in lagu xukmiyo dil toogasho meesha uu taagay, laakiin xaqiiqdu mar waliba kama gaban kartid.
So you need to look at the input of information that people are receiving, and it's not quality information. It's information that's designed to keep people employed, keep people weak, keep people stupid.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all. Even high school, if somebody graduated from a great university, that may be an indication that they will be capable of great things, but it's not necessarily the case. If you look at, say, people like Bill Gates, Larry Ellison, Steve Jobs, these guys didn't graduate from college.
Well, oftentimes business education today, and I see it all the time, kids come out of college, the best colleges, Wharton and Harvard and Stanford and some of the great business schools, and they'll come out and they won't have practical experience.
The problem with school is it don't teach you how to be successful. That's the problem. College don't teach you how to be successful, nor does school.
Before you go to university to study business, what I would advise you to do is this. Go to the faculty parking lot and say, what does this teacher teach? What does this teacher teach? And point out all the vehicles. The crappiest cars out there will be the business studies teachers. So if this guy's so broke he can't even buy a nice car, why is he telling you about business for $1,000 a year? That's called a racket. It's called racketeering. It's a scam.
We have too many entrepreneurs. We have too many successful people. Like, look how many people go through business classes. If everything you needed was in that actual business class, in that book, it'd be too many successful business people. Right? How many people graduate?
There's a thing called Pareto's principle. It's called the 80-20 rule. So like 80% of the people are poor, 20% are rich. The reason there's such a gap is our schools teach us to work for this.
Yeah. I mean, it's actually kind of funny. Like if you think of like what is education, like you're basically downloading data and algorithms into your brain. It's actually amazingly bad in conventional education because like it shouldn't be like this huge chore. You know, someone's standing up there kind of lecturing at people, and they've done the same lecture 20 years in a row, and they're very excited about it. And in fact, I think a lot of things people learn probably there's no point in learning them because they never use them in the future. Because a lot of kids just in school kind of puzzled as to why they're there.
A students work for the B students, C students run the businesses, and the D students dedicate the buildings.
noloshu way ka fududahay boqol jeer siday ahaan jirtay. Kaliya waxaad u baahan tahay inaad leedahay xirfad.
So how do you get educated? You need to study what rich people and successful people study. They don't study what you study. They're not out here studying the history of civil war, and who did this and who did that. No, they're studying what is applicable and evergreen. For example, finances, arithmetic, logic, grammar, persuasion, leadership, right? These are essential skills. How to dialogue with another person, how to sell your product, things that people aren't taught. Those skill sets are what people that understand how the game is played are learning.